And I am reveling in the fact, Stacia Wilson, that it is July and it does not feel like it.
Yeah, it's a nice change of pace, right? We have had some very, very hot July 4th. And I think that this weekend will be, again, just something where it's a little bit cooler and maybe some rain, though.
I'm okay with that.
You're okay with the rain?
I
Okay.
am, yeah.
Well, I know lots of folks have plans to go out and watch fireworks tonight, and so that rain could put a damper on things, but I'll let you know those locations and the timing of it. Hey, I fixed our camera. So earlier we were looking at DFW. This is Dallas Love Field. Doesn't look like you have any delays here, but it does look overcast. Currently 82 degrees there. What you can expect as we move through the next few days, well, today at least, possible showers this afternoon. And then tonight we do have a chance for showers or storms. Most of that will be west of Tarrant County, but Tarrant County could see some rain as well. And then low rain chances, maybe just a few pop-up showers as we move through the weekend. Temperatures right now, though, aren't bad at all. We're currently in the low 80s across DFW. Now to the east, temperatures stay in the low 80s, and where they've gotten a lot of rain this morning out to the west, temperatures, a lot of those are still in the upper 70s. So a nice change of pace, a nice break from that extreme July heat that we so often feel here in North Texas. This is a look at over the last 6 hours. You can see still scattered showers across the Metroplex and still overcast. The sun's going to pop out this afternoon, but it may not for very long. It's going to stay pretty cloudy, but that cloud cover is going to help cool things off. Now to the north, right along the Texas-Oklahoma border, and it continues to move north. You do have a couple of storms right around the Sherman area that's moving into Oklahoma. All right, rain coverage for today. This kind of breaks it down for you. If you're in the portion with the darker blue, about a 30% chance for showers this afternoon and this evening. Dallas, for the most part, DFW, most of the activity, the shower activity would be late this afternoon, mid-afternoon. Your chances tonight aren't great, which is good because we have so much going on with the 4th of July being tomorrow. And then to the east, chances are only 10%. You do also have chances for the 4th tomorrow, primarily in the morning and early afternoon. Let's move through our futurecast. So this is a look at this evening. You can see some activity developing to the west, to the southwest, and that kind of persists. It kind of hangs out. But again, it does not move into Dallas County and areas east of Dallas. It stays to the west. As we go through the evening, those storms could pick up a little bit. This is a look at tomorrow morning, right around 7 a.m. And then even early tomorrow afternoon, so 1 o'clock, it's still hanging around. So don't be surprised if you see some showers. I think really by after 3 o'clock, it's kind of dissipated and dried out. Could see some pop-up showers though this afternoon. Tomorrow, your chances of rain are less. So this is a look at the darker area, 30% tomorrow on the 4th if you have plans to go outside and barbecue, 20% there. Still areas to the west of DFW, and we're at a 10% chance tomorrow. Now, if you have plans to travel throughout the weekend, just checking out a few popular vacation spots, you can see South Padre Island will stay in the mid 80s this weekend. New Orleans, it's going to get pretty hot there on Saturday. You want to talk about a place that's hot and steamy. That is honestly, now I know actual temperature wise it didn't reach it, but it felt the hottest place I've ever lived when I was there. But they just have that intense humidity because they're below sea level. So that's just a quick check of a few vacation spots for the 4th across the Lone Star State. Low temperatures tonight, we're going to be in the mid 70s. So a nice evening. It'll stay pretty much overcast. And as we move through the next several days into the weekend, temperatures stay in the low 90s. But today is definitely the coolest day on that 14-day forecast. Start to climb as we move into next week, and by next weekend, it still looks like we're in the mid-90s. So fortunately, we don't see any triple digits on that 14-day forecast, but it is July, North Texas, so that means you got to factor in the heat index. It could easily feel like 100 on some of these 90-degree days when you walk outside. So prepare for that. All right, Mark, back to you.
We are ready. Thank you for that, Stacia. Still